Hey, what's this? Hey, Dan, do you know what's inside there? No, but if it's not ours, then we should not touch it. Dan, you know it's literally our house, right? Oh, yeah, I forgot. Hello? Ah! Whoa, what are these things? These are stuff that we never saw before. And they're so plushies. Ugh, weird. Wait, Dan, there's some picture of this guy that's in the closet. Wait, don't tell me that the person lives here. And look, it has the address that we can go. Okay, fine, we can go, but we have to bring this all back. I'm coming. What do you want? We're wondering if these were your stuff. Oh yeah, those are mine. Both are all junk, so go throw it away or something. Well, I guess we got to throw this out. Hey, don't throw it out. Although, it's kind of cool day looking. You're kind of right. It's kind of cool looking at this stuff. Maybe we can use a little test. Great idea. Hey, these are nice cool shoes. Ah! Boing, boing, ah! Bird, watch out! What do you mean watch out? It's cute. Bird, I can't say this, but spiders eat birds. Kill it! Okay, here we go. I'm going to read your memories. You were drinking milk last night? Wait, well, I never did that. Spinny go, spinny. I'm getting sick. Dude, this is a nice, relaxing. I'm flying out. Damn, what happened? I think I've broken my back. Bird, help me. Oh, I think we did all of them. What do we have? Just one. What is it? It's a bad luck charm. Well, I don't want bad luck. Me too. Let's test it on some guy. Hey, there's one right now. Sir, you will have bad luck forever. Well, that's not true. I don't even have to believe you guys. Well, we'll see about that. Finally, I'm at my comedy building. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side. Do you think I look dumb to you? Sir, I don't even understand why is that funny. Do you think everyone's laughing in the whole crowd? Well, I thought it was the original classic joke. Well, sir, I don't even get what's funny here, and you're out of the game. But please, just give me another chance. The curse is real. Well, I'm tired over that. Well, I didn't know that person had so much items in his stuff. Dan, we're gonna have to put this in the good pile. Well, there you go. Well, let's just get to bed. This is gold. What's this? Hey, is that our stuff? Bird, guess what? We're on TV. What? And Bird and Dan found some wacky things, and now they'll be live on news tomorrow night. Is that my stuff? And whatever, I'm just changing the channel. Dan, do you know what this means? What? We're gonna be famous! We're gonna be on TV tomorrow! Oh, this is amazing, Dan! You should be excited! I am excited. I've never been on TV before, but this is our final chance. And Dan, you know that we are going to be public, right? So we had to wear some fancy clothes. Well, thanks for reminding me, Bird, because I got the right fancy clothes. Then get it. There it is, the fancy clothes. Well, all we gotta do is pick the right one. Oh, they're all good. What should we do? How about we pick all of them? Great idea. That's good. Yeah, good. Yeah. Well, how do I look, Dan? You look good. How do I look? Awesome. So let's go and be famous. Welcome to Timmy's Talk Show, where Timmy talks to amazing, famous people all the world. Hello, my name is Timmy, and welcome to Timmy's Talk Show. Today, I'll be talking to Bird and Dan. So let's get on to Bird and Dan. Thank you for having us here. Now, pleasure to meet you that we have the biggest objects in the world and super wacky. like this double couch. And this tube thing that could go around your head. And there's pretty much more that we can all talk about, you guys. Is that my object on the news? Okay, that's it. They pushed it too far. Like this rainbow cow and this cat that can speak gibberish. And also this rocket boots and this... You're the one who took my goddamn stuff. Okay, so why do you care? You didn't want them. Because I told you to throw it in the chest. Not just like to test it out or just trying to be famous or something. That's what we just did. Well, I'm taking all of these stuff and there's no way you can take them back. Bird and Dan, is this true? No, he's crazy. He's trying to rob us. Well, I'm sorry, sir. You're going to have to be arrested for violating Bird and Dan. What? They just trying to be rich! Ah! Well, Bird and Dan, it was nice having you. But it's time to end our talk show with Timmy's Talk Show with Bird and Dan. Wow. Our house has really changed. Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go! Whoa. Oh, cool. Oh, sick! They have a water fountain in the house? I can go in this golden pool. Whee! Oh my god, there's an elevator? Don't mind if I do. Oh, sick! Well, Dan, do your stuff. I'm gonna go in the golden pool. Oh man, here we go. Whee! Stupid Bird, stupid Dan, think they can be rich all the time? Well, guess what? Those are my stuff, and now they're not allowed to have it. Wait, I invented all this stuff, so I can invent new ones. Okay. Inventors, here I come. Well, there you go. My new, weird, and wacky inventions. Hey, are those Bird and Dan's? What? No, I just created them! Sir, you're not allowed to take other people's stuff. But these are mine! Why is it in my house then? Because you robbed them again! For your lesson, here's a ticket. Well, we're taking these back to Bird and Dan. How worse can it be? Bird and Dan, we got some new inventions. Hey, these look new. Some guy just tried to rob it and then tried to steal it, so we brought it back. Oh, well, probably I forgot about it. Well, sure did. But anyways, bye now. That was strange. We got all of that invitations in the house. Well, just relax. Come on, Dan. Day 2 of our new house. Who said that? Oh, hey, Bird. Hey, Dan, ready to have some breakfast? Sure.
What would you like for your order?
I would like some pancakes.
Pancakes coming right up. What would you like for your order, Dan?
I would have some toasted waffles.
Toasted waffles coming right up.
Hey, Bird, I gotta tell you something. What is it?
Pancakes and toasted waffles.
It's hard to pronounce. Yeah, okay, just spit it out. Like, Bird, do you miss the old house? And do you think we should discard this mansion? I mean, Dan, why would you do that? For Pete's sake, we're in a big mansion. Come on, man, don't discard it. Well, but it is a big mansion. And we never done this wacky thing before. I can't say this, but I agree with you, Bird. Well, thank you. Now, would you excuse me? I'm gonna jump in the bay near the pool because I never got to do that yesterday. Whee! Hello, building department. I gotta tell you something that'll blow your mind. See, I want you to come over tomorrow night. And, okay, we'll do that tomorrow night. See ya, man. Well, Bird thinks this might be treasure. Morning already? Well, that means this is good luck. Oh, Dan, you're already awake? How fascinating. You've never been awake before me. Well, Bird, I gotta tell you something. What is it? It better not be that one that you're talking about yesterday. Well, it is that. Oh, come on, Dan. But I gotta have one idea. What is it? I plan to go in a hot tub today in an hour. What is it? We can build a mansion underground. What did you say? I said if we could put a mansion underground in our backyard. Well, I really do like this mansion. And I really like to put it underground like a history. Yeah. And that might be a good idea. But first I'm going to do my schedule that I'm going to do. Because you know I just said that I have a hot tub in an hour. Well, how about we do all those schedules now? Even the hot tub one. That's a good idea. Let's do it before the sunset rises down. Yeah, you're right, Bird. Because the tow man's going to come tonight. Well, then, if we're doing right now, let's stop talking and let's do the schedule. Well, okay, then. I test this elevator and see where it goes? Sure. This is our room, this is the bathroom, and this is the basement. Oh, spider! Ah! Go! Weirdos. This is my first time going near tubing thing, so let's go. Whee! Oh, what are these technology things? Ah! Hey, where the heck are we? This is the basement of a... What the? Is that a skeleton? Is it a fake body? Wait. Oh, I just realized it's a real skeleton! Run! Ah! Whoa, I never knew we had so much merchandise. And look, there's a button right here. Ow! What the heck? Why is that bullet? Ow! 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 No! 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 Ow! Cha-ching! 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 I think we really have to put this underground in our backyard. Well, hey, at least we did all the schedules from your plan. Yeah, true. Now we just have to wait for the tow man that's coming tonight. Let's just go watch TV. Well, it's over. I can't even rob them or take them back. Hey, what's that? I wonder what's Bert and Dan doing. I better go check. Guys, what's going on? Oh, you'll see.
So you're telling me that you want your mansion to be underground in your backyard?
Yep, that's the plan. Haven't you heard?
Well then, okay guys, let's go make a really deep hole and start working.
What? You're gonna bury your mansion? But why? Because we took a little test from the mansion and it went horribly wrong, so we're burying it in our mansion to keep it as a history. But can I at least have it? No, because you're a greedy man that almost robbed us. Oh, come on, man, that isn't fair. Do we need to arrest you again? No, I'll go back to my house. Oh, well then. Beep, beep, beep. Well, Dan, we just made history, and now we're gonna wait until 20 years. Yeah, I think so. But still, we're gonna keep it underground. Yeah, underground. I can't take it anymore. I need that mansion. I need that mansion. Wait, I'll plan an idea. I'll be really good. Once I dig up this thing and carry it, then it'll be gone forever and Bernadette won't have it. I'm a genius. I should probably be quiet. Finally, I found Bernadette's mansion. But first, before I take this underground, I'll just relax and take my time. Peace and quiet. Huh? What's that sound? Probably just the wind. Wait. I just realized there's no wind on the ground! Hello? Is anybody in there? I guess no one's in there, probably. Hello, friends! Ah! Scooby-Doo, on a move, guess I got to eat some food. Walking down to a bar, guess I got to eat my car.